Hello everyone. If you are new to my channel, this is recipe channel. Today we are going to make breakfast recipe delicious upma. Let's see the ingredients. Durum wheat, that is semolina 1 cup. 3 cups water. 1 onion. 1 green chilli. Coriander leaves 2 sprigs. 2 stalks of coriander leaves. Few curry leaves. Half teaspoon mustard seeds. Roasted chickpeas, that is daliya seeds. Tablespoon oil as well as salt as per taste. Let's chop the green chilies. Chop coriander leaves. Now let's chop onion. I have chopped onion. 4 tablespoon oil. Heat oil in kadai and put mustard seeds and roasted chickpeas seeds in it. That is daliya. Let the mustard seeds splutter in oil. It's spluttering now. Let's add chopped onion in it. Let's add curry leaves. Now I am going to add chopped green chilli in it. Onion has cooked. Now add 1 cup semolina in it. Sit. Let's add 3 cups water in it. Salt as per taste. Coriander in it. Put lid on it. Cover it with the lid. Let it cook in steam. Let's remove the lid. See, it has cooked now. Our upma is ready to eat. So let's serve it. Let's add juice of half lemon in it. It tastes better. Remove the seeds which has fallen in it. So our hot upma is ready. I have served it with Bengal gram flour, fried noodles, that is sev, and some coriander leaves. Check the description box for upma's ingredients, and you must try my black eye bean pods vegetable recipe too. Its link in the description box. Please check it out and subscribe to my channel. Stay positive. You can do it. See you in my next video.